So basically today we discuss the high availability. Okay.
Okay.
So
High availability of for what? Management
no.
MGMT or firewall?
No firewall because I already discussed high availability of management
Oh
and
yeah,
log
we
server.
discussed it. We discussed it.
Okay.
Right
So
now, firewall.
HA or clustering in checkpoint firewall. Okay.
Okay. This clustering concept is using in here.
Yeah, it's a clustering. Basically, HA in Cisco SA, they called it HA. Okay.
Okay.
In
But
checkpoint.
someone tell me on 9.6 onwards they are using clustering.
No, they same. It is same. Okay.
Okay.
I'll I'll know about the SA everything.
Okay. Okay.
Nothing like that. Like clustering and HA. It's only it's they actually call this active standby failover only.
Okay.
Okay. So basically in checkpoint we have a two HA mode. Okay.
Hmm.
HA mode. So we have two mode. Okay. One is new and other one is legacy. Okay.
Okay.
So I teach you new because legacy no one use right now. Okay.
Okay.
And the difference between legacy and this in new, we require a virtual IP address.
Okay.
Virtual IP. Okay.
Hmm.
When I told you everything, and also this checkpoint also support load sharing.
Oh, which one?
Load sharing.
For legacy or new one?
This one, new one only.
Okay.
This active. Okay.
Hmm.
Load sharing in the sense when we are running the checkpoint in active mode. Okay.
Okay.
So basically this legacy mode is there is no any virtual IP concept in legacy mode. Okay.
Okay.
We assign the default gateway on and hosts as active firewall inside LAN IP if we are using legacy. Okay.
Okay.
Like I have one topology for you here. See this one, this is active, this is
Hmm.
standby. Okay. And if we are
Okay.
using legacy, then this is my inside host. Okay. Any
Okay.
inside in my network. So I always use the as a default gateway as a this IP address. Okay.
Okay.
That's active IP address.
Hmm.
So generally what we generally use the this new mode. So there is a virtual IP concept, this one.
Hmm.
So all the hosts basically have the default gateway as a this IP address, virtual IP. Okay.
Okay.
So if this firewall is running, so this is using this virtual IP. If this
Hmm.
firewall goes down, then this firewall starts using this IP address. Okay.
Virtual IP. Through
Yeah.
virtual IP.
Yeah. Virtual IP.
Okay.
And basically in load sharing, this one, they
Hmm.
have two types of load sharing.
Okay.
One is for multicast,
Hmm.
multicast, okay, and another one is unicast, okay.
Okay.
The difference in multicast basically both firewall this one. See,
Okay.
firewall 1 and firewall 2 in active state, okay. So 50% of traffic handled by firewall 1 and 50% traffic handled by firewall 2, okay.
Okay.
In multicast, if we are using unicast, then what happened? Basically, this
Hmm.
firewall or this
Hmm.
firewall also become one firewall, become pivot firewall, okay.
Once again, repeat the both.
The uni Let me clear this pivot, okay.
Okay.
Pivot device. See, if we are using load sharing in unicast,
Hmm.
then one firewall like firewall 1 or firewall 2, maybe any one of become the pivot firewall, Okay. So that pivot firewall handle traffic 30%. Okay.
Okay.
And other handle 70%.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. And the thing is, all the connection, like connection setup and all these stuff, basically taken care by the pivot firewall only. Okay.
Okay.
When the connection is established, after that they choose which firewall going to take this packets and handle and do other processing. Okay.
Okay.
So depends on the they have some internal algorithm. This is not by, and also the checkpoint do not share this algorithm. So we can't like decide this one handle 30% or this one handle 70%. Okay.
Okay.
And also one more thing here. Forward on the board here. Okay, this 30% and 70% is completed. Also, they are basically there is some criteria for pivot. Also, I forget that criteria. I told you later. Okay, they use some MAC address to decide which become the pivot. Okay.
Okay.
I think lower MAC address become the pivot. Actually, I told you. When we check the MAC address and after that we see actually which is the pivot and which is the like other firewall. Okay.
Okay.
That thing we see. So first I show you how we configure this HA. After that I also show you load sharing. Okay.
Okay.
So let me start my configuration. So configuration is very easy for that. So let me see. This management is no other name. Okay. Now I'm going to access my management server first.
Can you explain these 4 firewalls are putting which VMs?
Same.
Okay.
Same. Let me log in first.
It's going to the other.
Okay, see these are our IP address. Okay.
Once again, show me on VM connection because of later I will need to face the problem.
Okay, see the same connection. This is outside finish.
Okay.
This is BMNet 1, BMNet 2, BMNet 3.
Okay.
So outside, inside, DMZ1, DMZ2. Okay. So here I am using only this outside and inside. Okay.
Okay.
Later I also simulate this BMNet 2 if required. Okay.
Okay.
Not an issue. Right now I am doing with these two only.
Okay.
This is our topology. Like for inside this is the inside IP address of this firewall. And this is the inside IP firewall 2. This is virtual IP address. Okay.
Okay.
All the host inside network have the default gateway this virtual IP. Okay.
Okay.
And this is for outside. This one my outside interface public IP. This one have public IP on firewall outside interface. This is the virtual IP address. Okay.
Okay.
And first I teach you this.
Just a
Cluster.
Just a
Okay.
Yeah, I am in online.
Okay. So first I teach you cluster Excel. Okay.
Okay.
This is the default method. Basically, this is the like way which checkpoints follow. Okay.
Okay.
This is the checkpoint way, and they also have a BRRP cluster. Okay.
Okay.
So generally we use this cluster Excel only. So I also teach you this BRRP cluster. So let me log in into my firewall first. So IP address of firewall 1 is 10.1.1.151. Okay.
Okay.
And this is my second firewall. This has IP address 192. This one 10.1.1.152. As we have in our topology. Okay.
Okay.
So let me verify the IP address.
Here is also same VMs, no?
Yeah, same VM, same.
Okay.
So interface ETS.
0.
No, not ETS1.
Hmm.
Because this is ETS1 is inside. Okay. See, link is down. I think I didn't give the IP address. Okay, not an issue. I'm going to so I'm going to set the IP address in my outside interface, in my inside interface. Okay.
Okay.
Set interface ETS 1 IPv4 address 10.1.1.152 subnet mask 255.255.255.0 conflict with the destination network of ETS0. Okay. Zero 72. What happened, man? State on 0 state on. Okay. Save.
Okay.
Config. Okay, so let me take the HTTPS access from my Internet Explorer. HTTPS 10.1.1.151. Okay, this is my firewall 1. Okay. Hello.
Yeah.
I'm audible.
Yeah, it's audible.
Okay. This is my firewall 1. Okay. I'm also logging into my firewall 2. 10.1.1.152. This is my firewall 2. Admin 1, 2, 3.
Next.
Okay, so this is my firewall 1. Okay, so
Yeah.
I am getting this first time setup wizard. Okay. So next, here I set the time and all these stuff. Next, here I give the name.
Firewall 1.
Checkpoint head office firewall 01. Okay.
Okay.
Here I give my domain name. .NET. Here I give my DNS. .2.2.2. Next. Okay.
Okay.
See, I get this here. Okay. So let me do one thing. Default gateway ETS1 192 168 0.1. Okay, because this is my default gateway.
Okay.
You have lots of noise in your background.
Yeah, that's the reason I am putting mute sometimes.
Okay, security gateway or security managed server. Okay, here I select this one.
Okay.
Next, see, I am going to configure a security gateway. Okay, and I also select this one. Unit is a part of cluster type. Okay, here
Huh.
we have two options: cluster XL or BRRP cluster. So first,
Yes.
I am show you cluster XL. Okay. Next, here I give the activation key ASDFGH. ASDFGH. What happened? A little bit slow. DFGH. Okay. ASDFGH. Next, finish. This system will start the process. Are you sure want to continue? So yes, I want.
Okay.
So it is now restarting.
Hmm.
Okay. So at the same time, I am also going to my second firewall. Okay.
Hmm.
Yes. Time next. I give the name checkpoint head office firewall 02. I check the domain name .net. This DNS server .8.8.8 4.2.2.2. Okay.
Okay.
Next. Right. 192.168.0.1
Hmm.
unit of cluster XL. Okay. Here I set the ASDFGH. ASDFGH. Next. Finish. Yes. Okay. So now
Check it on
process.
the first firewall. Yeah, it's taking.
Yeah. So process is starting here. Okay. So let me see. Installation is completed or not. God, operating system it is running. Okay. Launch smart dashboard. Okay. You must restart system in order to finish the configuration. Okay. So let me log into my management server. Username is Hemendra, Gmendra. Password is admin @123 and the IP address is 10.1.1.251. Okay. Login. Connection cannot be initiated. Please make sure that server it is running. Hey, Bhagwan. Recording?
Yeah, with this recording.
Okay.
Because later I can be get sometimes help.
Yeah, not an issue. Actually, I'll upload this video in YouTube. All videos, not an issue. So, what?
Don't upload the videos in
Why?
YouTube.
Why?
Nothing. Show me here subscription.
I think I have some issues with my laptop also today. Lots of thing is not working.
Okay.
So in subscription, I have lots of.
Get down for here, left side, the scroll. Yeah. Answer T series and
These are the this one.
yeah.
This
Expand
one.
this row. Expand it. Yeah.
Okay, let me my channel.
List. I need to see the list.
See this one. Catherine McNamara, something like this. Okay. This one. The Cisco Security TME. Okay.
Okay.
This one Cisco Voice Identity Service Engine.
Okay.
The securing network with Cisco. Okay. And this managing Cisco Advanced Security. These are the like main which I always follow for Cisco.
Okay.
And for others, I not need to follow anything for others.
Okay.
These are the like main channels. I also have some channels, but they don't have like good things to explain. Lots of I have lots of things there. So or you can also do one thing, follow my channel. So there also you get all the information.
Okay. Okay.
It's
Okay.
not a big deal. Actually, I'll have another channel which is my main channel. This is my sister channel actually.
Okay.
So I'll tell you the address and all this stuff.
Okay. 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 Tell me.
So actually, if I now I am not able to tell you. If I change my login, then it become problem because he's my ID now here. So I have to now again reset all the things.
Okay.
I give the password and all these stuff. It's a big process. So I share you one link with you for my channel. Okay, not any.
Please give me this video. Don't forget.
Which video? Which one?
And this one, this recording
Yeah.
video.
Okay. So let